This is a basic overview of the 9608 Avaya phone set. Your phone should be on your desk and logged in before proceeding. If you look at your phone, you'll see 4 line appearances and 8 clear buttons. To change this so we'll see all 8 buttons, you need to hit the Avaya home key. This brings you to Options and Settings. We will select Options and Settings. Then we'll go down to Screen and Sound Options. Hit Select. Then we'll tab down to Screen Width Size. It's set at full. We want to change that to half. Hit Change, Save, then go back and exit those settings. And now we see all 8 line appearances on the phone. To make an on-network call, simply lift the handset or press speaker and dial the 5-digit extension. To make it off-network, simply lift the handset or hit the speaker button, hit 9 and the number you wish to call. Now to place a call and transfer it, or to transfer an incoming call, first you must have a call. Then you can hit transfer, the 5-digit number you want it to go to, and complete the transfer. Hit the soft key under the complete, and the call automatically goes. Now to put a call on hold, must have the call. Simply push the hold button underneath the soft key. To resume the call, press resume. To have a conference call, you can have you and 5 other users. Simply hit conference, the number you want to dial, and press join. To see more information, you can press more.
Thank you for calling Avaya.
Details will show you the persons that you have on your conference call. You can press drop and drop each call one at a time, or simply hang up and get rid of them all at once. Now if you look at your display, you'll see the directory. The directory button is so you can press the button and spell out a user's last name who is on the system, like Smith. It says Alan Smith. The next button you press says next. We'll go to Andrea Smith, then Barbara Smith. To make the call, simply press the Make Call button, and it will complete the call for you. The next button is called a Send Calls button. If you press the button, it'll send the calls directly to your coverage path. For most of you, that'll be voicemail. You also see a half moon. It's just to dim the display if you're not going to be around, or if it's too bright for you. If you come down here, you'll see the message button. The message button will be lit if you have a voicemail. You can simply hit the button, it will send you right into voicemail. This button will be lit, and also the top corner of your phone will be lit. These buttons in the middle, simply the navigation arrows to help you scan through your display when you're in the options. The phone button is like an escape button. When you're in the navigation mode, moving around, and you get nervous and forget where you are, you simply hit home, bring you back to the beginning, and you will not harm anything or make any changes that you didn't want to. The button here is a contacts button. You can store up to 250 contacts in here. You can manually put them in one at a time, and you can automatically dial from your contacts. The button here is the Avaya home screen, which brings you into the options and settings. You can change your ringtones, your button clicks, the text size to make the display whatever you'd like. It works best for you. This button is a history button. It will show you the history of calls. You can call them back, you can add them to your contacts, or you can delete them. Then you have your basic keypad, like any other keypad of a phone. To the left of the keypad is a headset button. You can get a cord to plug into this, so you can use your headset and just press the button. No need to lift the handset. You can just hit the button and it goes right to your headset. Underneath that, you'll see the speaker button. It's to make a speakerphone call. It's 9608, very good voice quality. So the speakerphone is very nice if you need to use that. You have a volume button. It controls your volume while you're on the speakerphone, while you're on the headset, the handset. It also controls the volume of your ring. And then you'll have your mute button, obviously, to mute if you need to mute while you're on a call. Those are the basic overview of the 9608. If you have any further questions, please give OIT customer support a call at 624-7700.